Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix issues with Wi-Fi on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. There are a few things that you can do in order to try to fix your issues with Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna try to show you all of them. So the first thing that we can do is head to the settings. In the settings we want to go to location, and then in location go to location services, and over here we have Wi-Fi scanning. Make sure that this option is on in order to allow all apps on your device to try to use the Wi-Fi if needed, of course. Another thing that you can do is reset Wi-Fi settings. So if we scroll down and go to system, then we need to go to reset options, and over here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you go there, then you can confirm that you want to reset these settings. So let's tap reset. Now this might be also helpful. Another thing that we can do is tap on search at the top of the settings menu and then type devices. Now this might or might not work, but you can always try this one out. Over here you should be able to find devices option, which should not have any description. If you tap on it, then you should be able to enable the option to scan for nearby devices. Now of course, like I said, this might not really be related to Wi-Fi, however it doesn't hurt to actually turn this on. If this doesn't work, then of course you can still turn it off after all. And the last thing, as a last resort that you can do, is perform the factory reset. So we can scroll down once again, go to system and reset options, and then over here we have erase all data, factory reset. Now this is something that you should do as a last step if nothing else works. And if you are certain that the issue with Wi-Fi is on the smartphone side and not on the router or Wi-Fi side. So if you have made the full reset of your router, if you made sure that the connection is not, or the connection issue is not on the router side, then you can still perform the factory reset. However, make sure that you do not lose anything that is important that you have on your device, because of course the factory reset removes everything from your smartphone. So make a backup and store everything that you need to keep somewhere as a way, in order to not lose, like I said, something important. And after that you can just tap erase all data and continue with the instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.